You guys like my highlights?
We like your highlights. I don't know.
My blue highlights.
Sun's kind of in the camera's eyes.
They're kind of subtle. They're subtle. Anyway, I'm taking my hubby back to work. And
What?
then we're gonna go get Jazzy from school, and then we're gonna go get some.
And my wife made some awesome chickpea patties. They were delicious.
Yeah.
With green beans. We had a green bean chickpea patty sandwich.
Yes, it was.
Sounds
delicious.
weird. It's really,
Don't
really
knock
good.
it till you try it.
Don't knock it till you try it. It was
Just
delicious.
like those Brussels sprouts that I put on barbecue with barbecue sauce.
No. But
Delicious.
Brussels sprouts with A1 barbecue sauce. I mean A1 steak sauce. Delicious.
Tell them to try it out. I think they'd be happy.
Delicious. All right, I gotta go, sweet dear E of mine.
Okay, honey, bye.
Love of my life. All right, love you guys. Bye, kids. Say bye to the camera. Or bye to dad.
But I don't want the meat in it. But I was hoping that you could put the lettuce, tomato. Lettuce and tomato. Could you do that? Because we don't want the meat. No. I don't want it. It costs more anyway. All I want is just regular lettuce and tomatoes. I'm willing to take it up.
Can she ever taste licorice?
Our snack, our lunch, yes you can, and it was okay. But yeah, we just had a plain burger with no meat. With no meat.
I only had fries.
Yeah, you had fries. You had a burger buns with no meat in it.
I had
with
vegetable
lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles,
ketchup.
and mustard, which still had the flavor of that grilled flavor that we like when we eat burgers.
Yeah.
Kennedy had the same thing.
Yeah, I don't.
I had the same thing. The only thing that they did was they charged us for the tomato. No, they charged us for the lettuce, and they charged us for the onion, which is kind of crazy. When they took the meat off, they didn't charge us. They didn't take off anything off of the actual burger, which was only 90 cents, but still. But anywho, got the girls frozen cokes, and now we're getting ready to go pick up the hubby. We are here at Jazzy's orchestra class. We're dropping her off, but I guess she's in there okay. She's not in there alone. So hubby went inside to make sure she's cool. We want to leave her in there by herself. You want to take a peek? Let's go peek.
I already know.
A lot of people in there? Hey. We don't want to interrupt. Not yet? Okay. Y'all want to hear something? Bong, 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 bong. Hey guys! I'm getting my hair braided. Ooh. What are you doing over there? Your dad over there hitting the gong. What do you call that?
Daddy. Stop messing with the orchestra.
Sounds beautiful. Wow. So my hair is being braided by the little Jordan. She's really good at hair. Alright, we're gonna drop Jazzy off here in her class, and then we're gonna go.
You could look like Princess Leia.
That's your phone. She's got mine.
Okay.